Hi everyone, my name is Gord, and in this video series I'm spending some time going through some of the features of the X-Pro3 and offer some advice on how to use them. This video is about the hybrid viewfinder. As you know, the X-Pro3 features a hybrid viewfinder that's both optical and electronic, and you can switch back and forth easily. To change between the OVF and EVF, with the camera up to your eye, simply pull the lever towards your hand and release. To change back, pull it again. The EVF has been improved over previous models. It now features 3.69 million dots and is an OLED screen, so the color spectrum is vastly improved, making viewing through the EVF very lifelike. When you're in the OVF mode, when you half press the shutter, you will notice the bright frame rectangle will change slightly based on the focus distance of the lens. This is the parallax correction, as the taking lens and the viewing lens are in different positions. The closer the focus, the more pronounced the change. To enable the hybrid viewfinder, a heads-up electronic display in the lower right-hand corner, when in OVF mode, push the lever away from your hand and release. To turn it back off, press again, or just take the camera away from your eye. You can determine whether the hybrid viewfinder shows a zoom in on the focus point, useful to confirm the focus, or the entire image to confirm exposure and white balance. To change back and forth, go to the menu, then to the screen settings, and then to OVF display. Here's where you choose either full or small window, for a magnified point of the focus point is placed in the frame. When in the OVF mode, you can also preview the framing of other lenses. This is useful if you currently have a 50mm lens mounted on the camera and would like to know what it looks like to scene if you had a 23mm lens on for example. To activate, pull and hold the front lever towards your right hand for a couple of seconds, and the screen will appear. To turn this off, you can pull and hold again, or simply move the camera away from your eye. That's a brief overview of the hybrid viewfinder on the X-Pro3. To watch the next video in this series, click on the link screen.